Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali. In this video tutorial, we will learn and explore one more very amazing feature of Microsoft Word application, and that is called Watermark. So for adding a watermark, click on Design tab, and here in the page background group, you will find a watermark, right? So basically, watermark is used when you want to add some text, a short text, either your organization name, either your institution name, either a picture or a logo, so that if anyone can make a picture of it or use it for a different medium of communication, so your direct or indirect marketing can be done, and also with the respect of copyright violation as well. So you want to make sure that your identity should be included in that particular document, and you want it on every page. So for that, you can add a watermark, and there are three different types of watermark available in the latest versions of Microsoft Word application. So let's explore it. So I am in the design tab, and I will click on watermark. So there are few watermarks which are available by default, confidential and do not copy, right? These are the most common watermarks, and when you click on it, so you can see that a gray text has been added on your page, and in a diagonal way, so that your main text is in black color, and that particular watermark is in gray color. So when you print it out, it will not make more disturb with respect to with the readability of by the user as well. Okay, and this also carry your identity, as I told you, directly or indirectly, with different kind of purposes or a copyright purposes. When you again go to the watermark, and you will find a custom watermark option. So when you click on custom watermark, there are three different types available. So the first one is very by default, which is no watermark. You don't want any watermark to be there, right? The second one is picture watermark. So you need to browse that picture. Either that picture will be a kind of a logo of your institution or organization, or your own picture, or any other picture you want to add as a watermark. So click on select picture. That will give you multiple options to get that picture from, either you're from a file, either from Bing image search, or either even from your OneDrive personal account as well, right? So these are the options, and I want you to try by your own after watching this video. These are very easy, as simple when you insert a picture in any of the application, either Word, PowerPoint, or Excel. The other way is the text watermark. Sometimes we don't want confidential or do not copy kind of watermarks, built-in watermarks. We want to add our own customized text, so we can set a font for that as well. We can set a size for that as well, how much size that watermark would be, right? And what text would be in the watermark, we will write in the text field. So let me write my own name, Rahim, and how you want that layout of that watermark, either diagonal or horizontal. So it's by default, it's diagonal. Okay, and what kind of color that watermark should carry, either a gray color or any other different kind of color. So you can change the color as well, and I have check mark on a semi-transparent, so that it should not disturb my main text. So when I press OK, so now you can see that Rahim has been added as a diagonal to a watermark, right? So when I click on print option, or when I press Control P, so you can see that the watermark is being added on my this particular page. Thank you.